This isn't a perfect morning, but it's real one. And real days are the one that matter. This happen on ordinary days that no one remember. Motivation isn't here yet, but discipline is. Need preparation isn't about talent. It's about coming every single day back and study for hour. But truth is we never do that. Some pages feel heavy, some concepts take time, but understanding grow quietly. Today I begin organic chemistry. So many reaction, so many names, and somehow all of them look similar. But I remind myself not memorizing reaction but learning the language behind them. Organic chemistry isn't hard, it's unfamiliar, and unfamiliar things need patience. This chapter decides whether I fear the subject or finally get comfortable with it. Because it's class 11 first chapter of organic chemistry. I won't rush this because rushing now means confusion later. If I get the basics right today, half the stress disappear. I thought math was scary until reactions started rearranging themselves. I don't need to master everything in one day. Even understanding one reaction properly is progress. It's about building a foundation that won't shake later. That's enough organic chemistry for today. My brain need a break from reaction, mechanism and arrows. Now it's time for zoology, less reaction, more reality. Zoology feel calm, like the subject is not trying to trick me. Anyway, let's start with zoology. If you are curious to know which chapter I am studying, this is chemical control and integration. This chapter have a lot to memorize, so let's do it. Started with watching a lecture and making notes. Then with zoology. Now it's time for botany. I am studying photosynthesis in plant, part of plant physiology, and this is a very conceptual chapter, starting with watching a lecture and making notes. Underlining NCRT lines really do help later while reading.